A sustainable plant and the Yokogawa System Upgrade Solution. Along with recent advancements in technological innovation, new threats to automation systems have become more serious. A sustainable plant is Yokogawa's concept to maintain and improve the installed automation system, providing a safe, secure, and robust installation at the lowest possible life cycle cost. Yokogawa defines 3 requirements to achieve a sustainable plant. Function addition. Improvement. Yokogawa realizes the phased upgrade of an existing plant to improve productivity while continuing plant operation. Yokogawa also addresses customer requests due to environmental change, such as digital transformation and remote operation. Preventive maintenance. Yokogawa realizes preventive maintenance by understanding the state of the plant accurately to eliminate unplanned shutdowns and reduce maintenance cost. Life extension, renewal. Yokogawa contributes to improving health, safety, and the environment by reducing power consumption and CO2 emissions and introducing new technologies to a customer's plant. We will introduce the Yokogawa System Upgrade Solution as the foundation for implementing the 3 requirements of a sustainable plant. The Yokogawa System Upgrade Solution upgrades a customer's assets of both hardware and software to the latest system, introduces new technologies and features that improve plant operations. The upgrade solution is provided with the most suitable procedures step by step, minimizing risks to the operational schedule and cost of the customer's plant. Yokogawa's system consists of the basic components of an engineering station, human interface station, field control station, and real-time control network VNet IP. These components can be upgraded step by step while the plant remains operational. We will show an example of the procedure in 4 steps. The steps do not necessarily have to be performed in order. It can be performed according to the customer's request. Step 1 upgrades the engineering station to the latest version. Customers' application assets are inherited. Step 2 upgrades the human interface station to the latest version. The latest and older versions of the human interface station can coexist temporarily depending on the customer's maintenance schedule. Step 3 upgrades the field control station. The Yokogawa system upgrades the system software of the field control station, implements security patches, and improves function without interrupting the process control. Step 4 applies virtualization technology to the existing plant. Virtualization technology has significant advantages in terms of hardware maintainability, energy savings, and footprint savings. These 4 steps are examples of the Yokogawa System Upgrade Solution. Yokogawa will continue to evolve and propose new steps in line with the times and changes in customer requests to realize a sustainable plant.